So Karen, we know we can call you when we need you, but what can we do beforehand to try and fix things first? Can you give us your top quick fixes around the home that can save us money by trying to fix it ourselves?
The first thing would be change your air filters in your AC units regularly. So we offer an online service for those people that forget, like me sometimes, to go in and have it auto ship to you so you don't even have to think about it.
That's great. Makes it easy.
So the next thing you want to do is keep your drains clear. If you think you may have an area that's getting stopped up a little bit or having some issues, you can put equal parts of vinegar and baking soda down your drain, let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then run some hot water behind it. For any normal kind of stoppages, that'll keep it cleared out. If it's more than that, then we can come help you.
Hello, life hack.
Next one would be fix your running toilet.
Oh, yes.
I know you go into houses all the time and someone has the toilet that's running constantly. What happens a lot of times, their flapper or something isn't seating right or it's corroded. That's an easy fix. You can pick one up at the store typically and go ahead and repair that. You could also adjust the chain, adjust the float on it. All those little adjustments can keep that from running and causing thousands of dollars during the year.
That's what I was just thinking. I was like, okay, that's saving money because your water bill. Okay.
Exactly.
Love it. I mean, isn't that everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
The last thing, Tiffany, I'd say is check your home for blocked air vents. So those registers and stuff at the floor level especially, people like to put their furniture up against them. So they don't get proper airflow through the system. So you'll end up with hot spots or cold spots in your house. You'll end up with just your unit running constantly just to try to get enough airflow to circulate.
That sounds like an AC unit that would be on the struggle bus.
Exactly.
Like help the AC unit out.
Exactly.
Okay. And if these tips don't work, we'll give you a call.
Perfect. I'd love to answer and have one of our great technicians come out.